guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Friday and welcome to a new moving vlog as well. For those who do not know, my name is Hallie and I am moving in with my fiance who will soon to be my husband in less than 2 weeks, which is really exciting. And it's our first apartment together. So I'm gonna show you guys the progress of everything that I've gotten, because in the last vlog, I showed you us packing up, unpacking, organizing, and getting some stuff for the apartment, and that was more of Pat's stuff. And I am going to be moving in some of my stuff that I'm not using over these next 2 weeks until the wedding date when I fully move in. So I'm gonna show you guys my progress, and yeah, let's go. So this is a little chaotic, but I took all of my books from my bookshelf and put it into this bag, and I'm taking that with me soon. I also have my record player, which I'm gonna take along with my little desk, which used to be my makeup like vanity area, but I'm gonna take this and just solely just put my record player on it. I have all of my vinyls here in my crate, and what I'm going to do is stick it underneath at the apartment, underneath the little desk thing that will hold my record player. So I'm going to pack these up in a nice little, protective bag here. I stuck all of our picture frames in this bag because it's more of like a delicate, so I want to like carry it myself without stuffing other stuff on top of it and things breaking. But this is like, I think we got this from Universal Studios. It's like a little caricature of us that we took last year. And then I have some of these. Unfortunately, one of them slipped, but I'll fix it when we get to the apartment. But that's all of our little Polaroid here from all of the photo booths that we've taken the entire time we've been together. In here also, we have some of the stuff that I'll be taking that was like considered decor in my room, and we're gonna be using it as decor in our apartment. And then I also have some of the plugins that go for like the Bath and Body Works. I think they're more of like the fragrant insert things. And so Pat has one as well, so we can share. And then in here I have the stuffed animals that I want to take with me, just heated blankets and stuff, and the throw pillows that will go on our bed with like the new duvet that Pat now has on the bed, an emergency lamp and fan that we need for emergencies, of course, and then we have the little stand for my lava lamp. And here's all the clothes that I will be vacuuming in a vacuum seal, so that way it's easier for me to kind of keep all of this stuff without, making it harder for me to pack and unpack this stuff later. So before I start work, I'm going to do a last minute decluttering of my closet. I did some of that earlier this year with spring cleaning, but it's been a couple of months, and I just want to fully make sure that I'm really going to wear the pieces that I'm going to be bringing into the apartment, and then donating everything else that I don't need. And I also did that with my drawers, because I am not keeping any of this. That is going to be still at my parents' house. And Pat and I have our own organization on how we will be putting all of our, non-hangable clothing items. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, and then I will clock in for work. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So today, Bria, Patrick, and I are all going to the after hours night market. So that should be fun. We went before like a couple of, maybe a month or two ago, but we're back. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. I have this long, well, it's a skirt, but I just purposed it as a dress for today, and I thrifted it from Goodwill. I have my Kate Spade bag, and then I also have my boots from Amazon, and just a standard old jewelry. Ooh, so cute. How do you feel? Ooh, there's another one. I was like, what is that? So delicate. I love them.
I'm over here clowning. Not like I'm scared of kids.
Oh my god.
Right.
Hi guys, happy Monday. So today is my last day off before I work for the rest of the week. So from Tuesday to Saturday, I will be booked and busy. But I am back at the apartment this morning. Pat went to work, so I'm doing some progress of all the things that I need to bring from my own house, from my room, to, you know, organize and do some of that in here. But I wanted to show you guys all the things that we did yesterday on Sunday, because we went to IKEA, we got our couch. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'll come back.
IKEA.
Patrick was a good man. May he rest in peace.
Your apartment.
We had a long day, and now we're about to chill at our patio. This is the first time I've ever seen them have like a coffee bar,
What do you want?
like display. Can I have a matcha latte with oat milk? Okay, do you have a flat white?
No.
Do you have a cold brews?
No.
So what do you have?
We have just coffee.
Okay, I'll just have some of that. Do you have any oat milk or any milk alternative? So today is going to be a very chill day. We are just going to cook and do some redecoration.